Today we bring you a 2004 Honda S2000. This is a very famous car and it's very well liked in the JDM community. We had the privilege to apply paint protection film on all the front pieces. So you already know the drill. We did the hood, the fender, the bumper, and the headlights along with the mirrors. We protected it because the customer doesn't want any more rock chips, and the only way that you could actually fight the rock chips is with the paint protection film. After we were done with the paint protection film, we applied ceramic coating on all the areas that we put the paint protection film to. So now it has a very nice gloss, thick layer of protection, and it's ready to hit the road. So if you guys have a nice JDM classic like this one, or just about any car that you would like to protect against rock chips, let us know. We're here to help. We could apply paint protection film and have you protected for many years to come. Till next time, peace.